In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products to Patreon Shop. We'll go through the full process of creating a product listing, adding the important details, and publishing it so it becomes visible in your shop. This is a straightforward setup, but taking a little extra care with each field can make your product look much more professional and easier for buyers to understand. To begin, go to Patreon and open your creator page. Once you're there, look over to the left side panel. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for managing your page and your shop content. Next, click the three dots on the left panel. This will open additional options that may not be visible at first glance. If you don't immediately see what you need, this menu is often where Patreon keeps extra management tools. From there, click on Product. This takes you into the product creation flow, where you'll start building the item you want to sell in your Patreon shop. Now, enter a clear title and a detailed description of what buyers will get. Your title should be simple and specific so people can instantly understand what the product is. In the description, explain exactly what is included, what format it comes in, and anything else a buyer should know before purchasing. The more precise you are, the fewer misunderstandings you'll have later. After that, set your price. Choose an amount that matches the value of the product and feels appropriate for your audience. It's a good idea to double check the price before publishing, since this is one of the first things potential buyers will notice. Next, upload your files or attachments. This is the actual content your customer will receive after purchase, so make sure you're attaching the correct files and that everything is complete. If your product includes multiple files, take a moment to confirm they're all there before moving on. Then upload a hero image or thumbnail so your item looks good in the shop. This image is important because it helps your product stand out visually and gives buyers a quick impression of what they're looking at. Use something clean, relevant, and easy to recognize at a glance. Finally, click Publish to make the product live and visible in your shop. Once published, your product will be available for people to view and purchase through Patreon. And that's it. That's how to add products to Patreon Shop, from opening the product editor all the way to publishing your final listing.